Dear students, good morning one and all. Now we are going to discuss an important program, stack operations using list in Python. Stack is a data structure. It works in LIFO method. LIFO. LIFO means last in first out. What is it? Last in first out. Whatever you stored last, that will be picked first. For example, you take a pool of plates. Now three plates are there. If you keep any plate on it, this is the fourth plate you are keeping. And if you wanted to remove one plate, which plate you will remove? This plate only, na? The last, whatever you put here, that will be kept, that will be, okay, that will you take out. That is LIFO, last in, first out. In this data structures, there are three operations. Here, see, in while loop I am showing. The first one is push operation. That means storing any data into the stack is called push operation. Pop, second operation. Okay, removing or deleting some data item from the stack is called pop. And displaying means whatever the data items available in the stack, that is going to be displayed. Likewise, totally there are three main operations. Push means insertion, pop means deletion, and third one is displaying. This program is going to repeat till the user leaves the program. That's why this main concept we have kept in while loop. We have kept a main concept in while loop. And for every operation, that means for push operation, we have taken a function push. Okay, in the while loop, see na, print stack operations, that is going to display stack operations. Number one push, number two pop, number three display, number four exit. And user is going to enter one number. If the user gives one, we should able to push one value into the stack. If the user gives two, it should able to remove one element from the stack. If the user gives three, it should display the elements of the stack. Okay, before that we require an empty tag stack here. Initially empty stack. Okay, stack we are implementing in the by using a list. I am taking an empty list, and okay, its name is stack. What is the name of that empty list? Stack. In this list only we are going to store, and if you do not want, if you wanted to delete, we are going to delete from this one. And one more important variable is there. Its name is top. Its name is top, to point out the recently stored element, to delete and all. Okay, see here, number one, for example, if the user gives one means push operation. Okay, then what? Okay, to enter some data into the stack, first some element should be taken na? That value you are taking, item equal to int input enter item. After that we are calling push function here. Then it will go to the push function with two values. One is stack, that means this empty stack, it is going to be supplied as argument, and other one is item. Just now we have taken a, for example, item initially user has given some 10 value, then the 10 is going to be here, and into that stack there is a function in the stack, there is a function in list. What is the function? Append. What is the use of append function? Yes, to insert at the end of the list we are using append function. Stack dot append item means item value is 10 na? 10 is going to be stored in this stack. And now initially top is none, there is no value in the top. Okay, that's why nothing is there, ny and none. Now stack top equal to length of stack. Totally, how many elements are there in the stack now? Right now, one element is there. Okay, length of stack means it will come 1. What is 1 minus 1? 0. That means now top points 0. That means this value is pointing to this first element. You know na? List element, what is the first index value of list element? 0. Okay, in the list, first element is 0. And we are doing stack, we are applying stack as a list only here. That is for the first time. For example, for the next time also, if the user gives push only, if the user gives this one only, then think now item value is 25. It will go to this stack function with the value, how much value? 25. Stack dot append item. Append means it will insert at the end. That means it is going to insert at the end the value of stack as 25. How much? 25. Now two elements are there. Now user given for example number 3 display. Display means ch3. This option will be applicable. And it is calling display function with stack. Where is this display function? Here. Okay, if the elements is there only, then we are able to display. That's why first it will check whether stack is empty or not. Now stack is empty? No. Two elements are there na? Then it should display. Stack works in LIFO format na? That means last in first out. First it must display 25, then it should come back. That's why top equal to length of stack minus 1. Right now top value how much it will become? Length of stack means 2. 2 minus 1 means top value will becomes as 1. That means present top is this one only na? It is going to display initially 25. Okay, and it is going to display like the, okay, initially it will display 25, then it will give like this. There is a special priority to top. It is going to display, okay, it is top. Then by using for loop, okay, top equal to top minus 1 means, okay, top is 1 na? Top minus 1 means it will become 0. Okay, and here given condition is minus 1. 0 is greater than minus 1 na? So it will execute, and stack of 0, what is there? 10 is there. Okay, a value, okay, now previously a value is 0. Now step value is minus 1. That means it will become minus 1. Is minus 1 less than minus 1? No. That's why you will come out of this for loop. Finally, this is the output for display function in this case. Okay, for example, user given option 2. What is the option 2? Pop. Okay, to delete an element. When can you delete na? If some element is available, then only we can delete. Okay, here that's why first it is checking item equal to pop of stack. For example, recently pop of stack means, okay, here pop is a function. Now you have written a, with this one it will go to the pop function here. Okay, it is taking stack, and it is given here if stack equal to empty stack. Okay, if there is no element in this stack, then it will display underflow. But whether elements are there? Yes dear, there are two elements are there. There are how many elements are there? Two elements are there. Then we need to delete the recently stored value. This one we need to delete. Okay, item equal to stack of pop, stk dot pop. Okay, there is a function available in list. Pop means it will remove the last element. What is the last element? 25. That means into that variable item 25 will come. How much will come? Recently stored value 25 will come. And if length of stack equal to 0, after removing this one, length of stack means if there is no elements, you need to make top value as none. That means if there is no element, but now it won't comes to our condition. Okay, our condition is else part. If length of stack is 1 afterwards, Okay, top equal to length of stack minus 1. Okay, that means top is going to point out this one. Return item. What is the item? 25 will be again will be returned here, not here, here. Then 25 will be stored in item. Okay, if item is underflow, that means previously if stack is nothing is there in the stack, we have returned underflow. If it is underflow, it will display underflow stack is empty. Otherwise, if it is return some value like 25, it is going to display that value. Yes, if the user gives instead of 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 something else value, okay, it will give invalid choice. And if the user gives 4, that means he wanted to come out of this stack program, then break statement he needs to give. What is the use of break? To come out of a loop, either while loop or for loop, we are going to use this break. My dear students, I hope you understood this word. Stack is very important program. Learn properly. All the best, my dear students.